and today I'm going to be making something special that you already saw in the title, and all I need is what's in this box.
Oh, gadget!
We're going to be needing, the main thing is our big glue gun, a little parts that you can pull on, something like that. Little folders that are see-through, some sticks, a ball, some more sticks, some gummies or whatever you call them, and a little bit more decorations, and more decorations. So let's get into it. You need to connect these when the pinball gets out, or the ball gets out. This way it goes out. Then we need to make a place where the ball can travel through. Goes from here to there. We couldn't do a square. We wanted to do a square, but it was blocking up this way for the ball, because the square, as you can see, the ball could get stuck, so we had to do this type of thing. Moment of truth. Let's test this. Please fit right. It fits. Yes. I just wanted to say that cutting this, I had to cut this with the scalpel, and it was extremely dangerous. So please ask for help. Don't do this alone. Bam! Okay. This is how it's gonna look. And again, this glue gun is really hot, so be careful also with the glue gun, because it can burn your skin really bad. Okay, hurry. Run. Let's do this like that. Yes! Perfect. So I've made these, and now I'm gonna glue them here, and I'm gonna put the little gummies here. So let's go. Back. Okay. Okay. One more time. Okay. I think this is it. This glue is really hot. Get out of it. One down. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. These projects take so long. Please. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.